I really fall in love how it works together. Really, really natural face with this place, with leaves, with shadows, and for me, it becomes something special when it's together. When I see combination of real nature and photos with really natural person, and I think I feel soul of maybe a woman or something like that.
Yeah, I agree that it's really a perfect combination of beauty and nature, and I think that this woman is as beautiful as nature, and they both have been great inspiration for artists, and it's really great to see it together, and it's very rarely when it's good like that, and it's very interesting.